Hey there, garden lovers. Looking to create a private oasis in your backyard? I've got you covered with the best trees and shrubs for privacy. Let's dive right in. First up, for those narrow spaces, you can't go wrong with the red sky pencil Japanese holly. This evergreen is perfect for tight spots, growing tall and slim. Next on the list is the sugar and spice arborvitae. It's not just the name that's sweet. This shrub is dense and lush, making it a fantastic privacy screen. Now, if you're looking for something a bit different, check out the Maki podocarpus. It's a bit more exotic and brings a unique texture to your garden. For a classic touch, go for the skyrocket juniper. As its name suggests, it shoots straight up, providing excellent coverage without taking up too much space. Similarly, the blue arrow juniper is a stellar choice. It's sleek, elegant, and super low maintenance. And here's a bonus tip for all you veggie gardeners. If you're growing okra, make sure to harvest the pods when they're about 4 inches long. This keeps them tender and encourages more production. Remember, frequent harvesting is key. These plants will help transform your garden into a private sanctuary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips. Happy planting!